as you can see, we have our rice bubbly going on nicely. It's doing its thing. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm going to be making tofu curry. So it's going to be vegetarian, healthy-ish. Yeah, we'll get into it. But before we get any further on with the video, if that just made any sense, do me a favour, subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well, and enjoy the show. Here's the start of our video, guys. What you need is a bit of tofu, right? All I'm gonna do, this is extra, what was on the package? I forgot. This was extra firm or extra something I saw somewhere. Anyway, tofu with a taste, extra firm, yeah, extra firm. Sorry guys, took me a while to find it. What I'm going to do is chop this up, open the packaging rather, not chop it up. It contains a bit of water, so I'm just going to drain it. Not that it's got a few drops, but there you go. What you're going to do, open this up. You just want to bring it out. See there's a bit of water in there? You don't want it. Get rid of it, right? Okay, now I'm gonna try and make this into a bit of chunky bits because we're gonna use it as curry tofu, so you don't want it to be really small. I probably won't be a lot, but you know, just make do with what you've got, I guess. I don't know. There we are, right? Just gonna pour that in here. That's it. Go on, carry on. You know. Go on, lovelies. Get in there. Okay. Now, gonna get rid of that. What I'm going to be doing is turning this on. Make sure they're all flat. I'm just going to let it heat up a little bit to absorb all the water that's in there. And yeah, meanwhile, as this goes on, I'm not going to add anything to it yet. No spices, no spices. Yeah, I can't even talk to it. Oh my god. Let that go on for a few minutes. I'm going to wash our rice. Get some hot water in there. Right, ladies and gentlemen, quick update. As you can see, quite a bit of the water has evaporated and it's slowly starting to change colour. But as we all know, or some of us know if you don't know, tofu is plain, is blunt, it has no taste. What you need to do is give it the taste. I've turned on let me turn this down by the way. I've turned the heat on for the rice. All we're going to do is add a bit of salt, right? Add a bit of olive oil. Some people say don't use olive oil, change colour, blah blah blah. I don't care. Right? Done. What you need to do is make sure they're all split up, right? Now, for you to add some spices, or you basically want to marinate this, okay? What do you need? You need a pinch of salt. Just going to put it in the middle, right? Bit of pepper, a bit of turmeric, okay? And then I'm going to take a tiny pinch of extra chili powder, alright? Just to give it a small amount of kick. Nothing extra, like literally, I mean, that is it. But you can't even see that, can you? Right? That's that. What you want to do is top it up with a bit of oil, not too much, and then mix it. Right? So that is going to be the paste for. Oh, made a mess already. There you go. Just go like that. Can you guys see? Just like so. Okay. Simple. Now that it's turned down, I've turned obviously the heat down just to give it the colour. We can turn it back up on full heat again, so we get things going, cooking and everything. It's already in no time. Right, let's see. I think this will be ready before our rice is actually. But anyway, you want to get this so they all change colour, they all sink into it and marinate and everything. Get that going. And yeah, just let that go on for a little bit before we add the curry. What you want is to have this fried as well, obviously. So it's going to change colour, hopefully, just like last time. Let it crack on with doing its thing. Right, as you can see, we have our rice bubbly, going on nicely. It's doing its thing. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, and then have a look at our tofu. Let me just get rid of that. Right, look at that. Oh yes, that's it. We want it to change colour, get a brown colour, right? You want it to come out of that plain, like boring pale, I don't know, whatever colour it was, white or whatever, right? Have it fried a little bit, not burnt, okay? I remember last time I made tofu, one of you made a comment saying that I burnt the tofu. No, I didn't. The flour made it look burnt, alright? Guys, tell me that don't look good, huh? Check out the lighting. That looks amazing. Okay? How you doing, mate? You alright? How's the rice cooking? Lovely. Right, I'm just gonna pop the lid back on. Give it a couple of minutes. Right, leave that going full speed. Leave that going full speed. Couple of minutes. We'll be back. I'm gonna add the curry sauce to it. Happy day. It's been a few minutes. I'm just gonna turn that down a little bit. There we go. Right. Let's have a look what's going on in here. Whew. The smell, guys. Look at that. Right. What I'm gonna do, I'm being lazy. I got one of these cans with it's tikka masala, and then inside it, it's got some more spices. So I'm just gonna add it all on. I'm not gonna bother hiding that or anything. So yeah, whatever taste that's gonna give it, I don't know, but we'll see. I'm sure it's going to be nice. So yeah, oh wow, that gave it a nice kick. Definitely get a nice kick. Right, what I'm going to do is add, I think half of this. Oh, that just popped. Watch it. Can you see it pop? Right. I think that's going to be enough. I'm not going to put all of it in. But what I will do is add a bit of kettle water. Right. Where's my spoon? Get this spoon out. Don't worry, there's plenty of water in there. It will evaporate. I didn't put too much water in there. It's going to be alright. Right, now that we've got the water in there, we need to get it going. We will chop up on the heat. I can feel that it's getting crispy, guys. Yep, it's getting more harder, so it's good. Solid, it's not spongy anymore, so it's good. Yeah, let that heat go on. What I'm gonna do is let it crack on, absorb the water out of it so the paste will go thick again. Happy days, we're ready to eat, right? Let's close that. We are pretty much ready. Let's have a quick checkup on our rice. The second amount of water we put in there, boiled up nicely, it's looking good. So it's pretty much ready. It's edible, yes. Let's just leave that there. As for our tofu, let me just turn that down, because that's gonna splash all over the place. Right. Look at that, guys. See? Water evaporated nicely. We've got a nice thickness of the juice left. Just gonna turn it off. We're good. That's ready. That's also ready. There we are. Happy days. Now, all you need to do is get a bowl. Right? Get your bowl, just like so. Get some rice. Stick it in there. Just patting it down like so. Okay? Done. Now, what you want to do before your hands burn is get some of that tofu. Drippy drip down the side. Drippity drip, 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 drip. Down the side. Right? Now what you can also do is garnish it a little bit more with a bit of chopped coriander. Sprinkle it on top. A little bit more. Right? There you are. Voila. That, ladies and gentlemen, is your tofu curry. Nice, simple, healthy dish. Vegetarian rather, sorry. Bon appetit. Just make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. See you next time, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up